go.
Hello folks, so for part 2 of our cutting vegetable series here, we went over some basic sharpening techniques and how to look for a good knife. Now, a couple of things that came to mind was where to find a good knife. Now, this particular chef's knife is probably my favorite. It's a Mighty Oak by Imperial, and it's so used you can't even see the logo anymore. Great place to look for something like this is going to be at a garage sale, maybe your grandparents' house, something like that. But how you hold the chef knife is also very important to not cutting yourself. So you'll notice you want to get a good firm grip and run usually your index knuckle over the top of the blade. I see a lot of people doing something like this where they really choke up on the blade. This might feel like you're getting more of a cutting action, but if you have to push that hard into the blade, your knife isn't sharp. So you want a kind of a relaxed fit, but yet firmly held, using your thumb to pinch in between your index finger. Just going to show some celery getting cut here, and I really wanted to kind of demonstrate this with longitudinal, like carrots, celery. You'll actually feed into the knife rather than move the knife into your hand, which is generally a safer practice. So once you get this rocking motion here, you know, this is basically all I'm going to do this whole time, is you just keep the knife right like it is, use your fingers to gently feed the food into it, and you'll get your nice chopping action. Once you start getting close to the blade, you can stop, move your hands back, you know, where you have a lot more control. And generally, as you get to the last, you want to curl your fingers over so that if you were to get up next to your knife, you're a lot less likely to pinch or cut something trapping under there. And then real briefly again, why you want to use the one hand method kind of free with the carrots, gently holding the tip of the knife, you'll come through. You do your first strike, or your, you know, master house in German, but your master strike is always to get a flat cutting edge or a stable cutting edge. And now you can practice the rolling the knife through it. Thanks.